Hello again and welcome to Ndudu by Fafa.
Hello everyone, it's Fafa Gilbert here and welcome to my creative African cooking channel, Ndudu by Fafa. This is a channel full of flavors, so packed with flavors and amazing recipes. Now these recipes are actually created because I don't like to repeat my dishes, and I also like to recreate dishes to, push the boundaries a bit. And I do enjoy it, and I hope you do. Now, if this is a channel for you and you like what you see, don't forget to click that subscribe button and also the like button. Yes, absolutely, that's also important. And also the notification button. So each time I do upload a video, straight is delivered to your email address. You know when we were playing Okondo, straight here, you play Nampe. Straight Okondo, that's it, go straight. Anyway, what have I got for you today? Ooh, let's start. You'll find out soon.
And on this sunny day in London today, what I do have for you is this beautiful pork ribs that's slow cooked in Asaana. What's Asaana? Asaana is a Ghanaian drink that's actually made out of fermented corn that it's boiled and then mixed with some caramel. You'd find the recipe actually in one of my videos, and I'll leave a link at the top. So now let's start cooking. So of course, to start this recipe, you do need your pork ribs that's readily available in most supermarkets. And I've got my holy grail of spices, which is my ginger, aniseed, onion and garlic that I've blended together, and I'm adding about 4 tablespoonfuls to this mixture. So I've got about 450 grams of the pork ribs, and I'm actually just going to be marinating this and infusing some flavors. So to this, I'm going to add that smokiness to this dish. So I'm adding some smoked paprika to it. Yet again, you can find this in most supermarkets as well, or online. So for that kick, I'm actually adding some chili flakes, which are smoked. So they're just beautiful. Yet again, it gives it the smokiness to this dish. Just say, I'm building on the flavors. And to that, I'm actually adding this beautiful Greek organic oregano to the mixture. It's so scented and it's incredible. You can use your normal oregano, dried oregano, fresh oregano if you do have access to that. And to that, I'm also adding some thyme, fresh thyme. You can use your dry ones, because pork, thyme and oregano, they're a great combination. Of course, I'm adding my pièce de résistance, which is the Asaana, and I'm just going to mix this together because I'm going to be marinating this. You can go marinate this for a minimum of an hour, but better still if you marinate it overnight, that would just be great. So now that I've actually marinated this, let's assume I've done that, I'm adding my salt to taste, and at this point I've actually preheated my oven to 180 degrees. Reason is I'm actually going to cook this for the first hour at 180 degrees, and then I'm actually going to reduce that heat to 150 degrees and cook it for an extra 45 minutes. I know, right? This is like flavor zoning. You know, when it comes to food and flavors, I just love it. So after an hour and 45 minutes, I'm actually ready. Look at this. It's dark, it's rich. Look at the sauce. And you see that Asaana, because it's got the caramel in it, it actually makes it sweet. And then you've got that spiciness coming through. You've got the oregano also adding its aromatic flavors. Just say, this is a must try. And I'll tell you what, look how this breaks. It just breaks. Yeah, exactly. Look at this. Catching. Mawelo. Ifeko. Look at this. Beautiful, and it's packed with flavors. Now these ingredients are readily available to you. If you don't have the oregano, you can skip that. You can actually add the grains of psyllium, which is great. Your aniseed works perfectly with this. And also I actually serve this dish with some coconut rice. So I'll leave a link for the coconut rice at the top so you can actually connect to that. And I just served that. That was my dinner, and I hope you're inspired to try this recipe. Now I'll leave a transcript of this recipe, including the list of ingredients and measurements, on my blog ndudubyfafa.blogspot.com. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as ndudubyfafa, and I hope you are inspired to try the recipe, and I've given you a reason to actually click that subscribe button and like the video. Now until next time, take care of you, be beautiful, be gorgeous, because I love you, and thank you very much for watching. I do watch you guys commenting because I love replying to your comments. So keep commenting. Much love. Peace.